Hey friends, welcome back. Today's video is a memory spread for the week of New Year's. I'm using the Ready to Party kit from Sticky Essentials, and I'm pulling in that super pretty, super sparkly inverted gold wiggle from SPC. And all of the overlays and bougie boxes that I'm using are overlay tapes from Sticky Essentials as well. Now, I've never done a fully voiced over plan with me like this before, so please bear with me. And as you can see, I somehow lost the footage of me putting down the date covers and bottom washi, so this is already off to a great start. No, but my New Year's week was actually pretty bomb. It was super low key, super chill, and heavily self care based, which I really needed that week. I ended up getting VTO Monday and Tuesday that week, so that was really nice. Normally, it would have wrecked my paycheck, but I just didn't care that week. I needed that breather. And B, I did work New Year's Day, so I did get that holiday pay, so it wasn't detrimental. But having those 2 days off just came in so clutch, and it was just a really nice, much needed breather. And I ended up spending New Year's Eve at the movies, and that was really nice. The movie theater has always been my happy place. There's nothing I love more in life than going to the movies by myself. It's so relaxing, so peaceful. But I never realized how much I would enjoy going to the movies on New Year's Eve. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a new tradition for me, I think, going forward. So I went to like an 11 p.m. showing of Uncut Gems, which I have a lot of opinions on. And I'm sorry, but I don't get the hype. It's literally just 2+ hours of Adam Sandler yelling at different volumes and different speeds. There's supposed to be so much tension in this movie, and everyone just talks about how much anxiety it gave them, but I just didn't feel any of that at all. The entire movie was just one note, and it fell really flat for me until the very end. I will give the end credit. The last 2 minutes get super spicy, but of course, the end is what everybody else disliked about it. So, if you've seen Uncut Gems, let me know what you thought because I'm definitely curious. So, anyway, I'm sure no one was wondering, but in case you were, the reason my dashboard said weightless at the beginning of the video is that is my word of the year, inspired by the all-time low song, Weightless. I have been singing my little heart out to these lyrics for over a decade. Maybe it's not my weekend, but it's going to be my year, and I'm so sick of watching while the minutes pass as I go nowhere, and this is my reaction to everything I fear because I've been going crazy. I don't want to waste another minute here. So it's been over a decade, and you know what? It still hasn't been my weekend, and it definitely still hasn't been my year. But now it's time to make it happen. I'm done being stagnant with my happiness, with my work, with my life, etc. I'm ready. It's time. 2020 will be my year, do or die. I am speaking it into existence. This song is my forever anthem, but this year we're actually doing something about it. So, Weightless 2020, let's go. But yeah, let me know your word of the year or your goals or resolutions in the comments because I would love to know. So yeah, anyway, that's that on that. Let's go ahead and hop into the day by day. Okay, so first I put in that I had VTO Monday and Tuesday with some labels and day off scripts from Sticky Essentials. And then I went in with a quarter box to mark that I got takeout from a place called Thai Fusion. Okay, well, don't let me lie to you. It wasn't takeout. I door dashed it, but I don't have DoorDash scripts, so I just used a takeout script and food doodle from SPC. But yeah, the food was really good. I love that place. They have not failed me yet. But Monday overall was a super lazy Netflix kind of day, so I just marked that with a pajamas all day script from Saucy Stickers Co. And then to mark watching A Cinderella Story Christmas edition on Netflix, I used a half box and movie night script from Sticky Essentials. It was kind of whack, but kind of cute, I guess. It was super cringy though. And then I remembered that I ordered my inserts that day, so I'm just bumping up my quarter box to make room for that. And then I went in with a little thing and a piece of envelope deco from the kit that I just thought was really cute. And then to zhuzh things up a bit, I popped down a piece of mini star deco. And then moving on to Tuesday, it was New Year's Eve, of course. So I marked that with my very favorite half box from the kit, which is this super cute star pattern. And then I also used a piece of balloon deco from the kit and a New Year's Eve script from Sticky Essentials. And then to mark uncut gems, I just used a quarter box. Now the kit does come with a movie marquee, but I saw a movie Sunday that I liked infinitely better than uncut gems, so I saved the movie marquee for that one. And then I used a film slate circle icon from The Wiggle, as well as a film script from Kinzi's Creations to mark that I did some filming that night. It looks a little whack on camera, but it's super pretty in person. And then I also got Mod Pizza, which is one of my favorite pizza places. Okay, well, that's a lie. My favorite pizza place is Pies and Pints, but that's like 20 minutes away, and Mod is like 3 minutes away. So favorite in my vicinity, I guess. So I just marked that with another box and a little pizza girl from Whimsical Cat. And then I just popped a bow from The Wiggle on that quarter box just to add a bit more gratuitous shine to this spread. Okay, so moving on to Wednesday to mark work this week, I used flags from The Wiggle as well as work scripts from Letters to Apollo. And then to mark New Year's Day, I went in with another half box and a character sticker from Whimsical Cat's New Year's sampler, as well as a Happy New Year script from Sticky Essentials. And then I got gas on the way to work, so I just marked that in with a little thing and a gas script from Kinzi's Creations. And then I also got Starbucks on the way to work, naturally. So I used a quarter box with a Planting Roses coffee cup doodle and Starbucks script from SPC to mark that in as well. And then whatever I was trying to do with that black label was just not working out for me, and I finally came to my senses about it and marked watching The Circle on Netflix with a circle TV icon and a little thing instead. If you like Big Brother, I highly recommend The Circle. It takes a couple episodes to find its footing, but I genuinely loved every second of it. And then I also did a bunch of editing that night, so I just marked that with a laptop doodle from Planting Roses and then an edit script from Kinzi's Creations. So on to Thursday, I uploaded a video that day. I believe it was part one of my Black Friday haul. So I just marked that in with a munchkin and another Kinzi script. And then I did round 2 of Starbucks for the week. So I just marked that the exact same way that I did on Wednesday. And then I placed an SPC order that night, so I just marked that in with a little thing and the SP circle icon from The Wiggle. And then I did a pretty big clean that night, so I used another munchkin and a tidy up script. Then on Friday, I worked a half day. It should have been my 3-day weekend, but I did a schedule change that week and worked a half day on the 29th and then a half day that Friday. So, of course, I got Starbucks on the way in. And then it was payday, so I just used a circle icon from the Wiggle as well as an SPC script again to mark that in. And then I did a Kroger run, so again, I just used a circle icon and an SPC grocery script. Now, this does look a little dumb, I'm not going to lie. So I wish I would have done things a little differently, but it is what it is. And then I used another little thing and another Kinzi script to mark that I had to get gas again. And then I also picked up my inserts from FedEx that night. So, this used quite a bit of sticker surgery, but to mark that in, I just used a little label with another bow from the Wiggle. So to mark that I edited on Saturday, I just used a half box as well as a bow from the Wiggle and a Planning Roses laptop doodle and another Kinzi script. And then I pretty much just lounged all day on Saturday, so I used another Saucy Stickers Co. Pajamas All Day script for that. And then I also did laundry, so I just used a Scribble Prints script for that. And then Sunday was a really fun day for me. I uploaded a video that day, so I used another Munchkin and another Kinzi script. And then I did Target and Kroger that day, so I just used some deco from the kit as well as a Target run and a grocery run script from SPC. And then my friend, we'll call him B, and I had somewhat of a date night. Don't really know if it was a date night. We didn't really discuss it, but whatever. We saw Jojo Rabbit, which I really enjoyed. So I used the movie marquee for that. And this is so dorky, but I put 5 little mini star decos to represent the 5 stars that I gave it. And then after that, he drove us to some Christmas light display that was like a half hour outside of Columbus. And then we just went on a long, aimless drive and goofed off. So, yeah, that wraps up my week. I think this spread is so freaking pretty. It's probably my favorite spread ever at this point. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thanks for watching. Everything will be linked down below. I hope to see you next time. Later days.